Hello, my name is Lorena Escalante and I'm a pre-service teacher at Tarleton State University. In this video, I will show you how to use StoryboardThat to promote literacy in the classroom by allowing students to create their own digital stories. This web-based tool can be used through a computer and also works very well with tablets. Students can use the free version, but if you want to see the pricing details, you can click right here and you can see there's different options you can choose from. If you want to be able to see your students' storyboards online, then it's beneficial to sign up for the educational one, but it all depends on your preferences. Okay, so I'm gonna log in. I already have an account. All you need is to provide your email address. It's very simple to log in. You can log in with Google, Twitter, Facebook, whatever app you have. Okay, so you go to your My Account, and on your dashboard you're able to see that you're the teacher there and your URL for your students to go see your website, and you create your assignments here. I already have an example of one. I'll show you in a minute how to make a storyboard. Okay, right here to the left, you're going to have all your settings and all your guides to show you what to do. So right here under Manage Users, this is where all your students are listed. I added all of my students, and you can see how many storyboards they have done, when is the last time they've done one, and you can view their storyboards. So right here, it's also listed here as a teacher, and it shows my storyboard. Okay, then if you want to add one, all you have to do, if you want to add a student, all you have to do is put their name. They have to have their own unique name. So let me see. Let's say like that. The name is Lori or something. And I'm just putting the same password. And you just click add user, and you see it already added the user there. So these are my students. Now if you want to check on their reports and what they have done, this is where you go to, and right here it gives you a lot of data on per user, by week, by assignment, by day. So right here you're able to track how many storyboards are being done and by who. So right here the good thing is that it shows you who hasn't created one. So these are the students that have not created a storyboard. So it's really useful and beneficial to see who has not made one and who's on track. Okay, so now here on teacher guides and lesson plans, I want to show you how other resources are available for you here. And it shows you the different types of ways you can use storyboards, not just for stories, but for anything, for any other subjects that you want, or any other ideas. So, okay, I'm going to go to my dashboard and I'm going to show you how to create a storyboard. Okay, so I'm going to click edit my storyboard. So it takes you here with all these options. You can see students have a variety of things to choose from, so it keeps them engaged and entertained. As you can see, there's many things. There's a lot of scenes and characters and shapes, and they can even upload a picture and just talk about it. So, okay, if you want to add, let me see, a character, all you have to do is click the character and drag it down. And it gives you more options, like if you want to change their hair color, their skin, their shirt. So it's really cool, and it just has so many options for students. So it's just very, it's very interactive, and they will love, having something to do online rather than just, using paper and pencil. Okay, so let's see, right here we could change what the person is saying. Let me see. Okay, as you can see, I messed up right here. So the good thing is that it's able to check your spellings, and that's something that students also need help on. So that would be great for them to check their spelling. You can make the text bigger, change the fonts. Okay. So once their students are done, or they want to add more cells, they can click add more cells, move cells, and copy cells. Okay, and not only can, like I said before, not only can they do their stories, but look at this. Just look at how all these other layouts can be beneficial. The Freire model, this one is an important and easy beneficial one for students to build on their vocabulary. So you can assign students to look up words in a book, and then they have to create their Freire model by using all these pictures and stuff. The timeline, this would be perfect for nonfiction text, so you would have students sequence events in the timeline. The spider map. The spider map is another great layout for students who brainstorm ideas for their stories. So all of these would be really beneficial. Also, the title, sale, and description one is great for summarizing a book. So students have a variety of options to choose from. It all depends on what you assign them. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save this and continue. And I'm going to show you how students can turn this into you. Because it depends on what version you choose. So if you want your students to get the free one, all they can do is print. But the cool thing is that, look, you can print it. They can download the images as a PowerPoint. They can also do a slideshow. So this would be great for when you assign them to create their own stories, and they will have to share it with the class. Also, if you have your class online and you want to be able to see who you want to know, or you want to only share it with your class, then you just click share with class, or very private or on public. It has so many settings and ways for you to do all of this sharing. So for students, they could just click print, and the good thing is that it shows if you only want to print pictures, if you want to print it with the text, or you want 4 per square, 6 per square. It all depends on what you assign your students. So as you can see, Storyboard That has a lot of resources, a lot of options to choose from, and it is very user-friendly, and it guides you as a teacher, and it gives you many ideas on what to teach and what to assign. Your students will love this, and it would really benefit them, and it will be a fun way for them to create stories and just think of many ideas and not just get stuck with writing and having to create their own. So as you can see, this program could greatly benefit students in many different literacy areas, in comprehension and spelling and vocabulary and storytelling. Anything that has to do with reading, this will be very helpful. I hope you plan to incorporate Storyboard That in your classroom. Thanks for watching.